boom. Let's go a bit further. Let's try 86 degrees right, and let's go like 13 meters. Yeah, that sounds good. Connect to the drone. Okay, we're hooked up. And 3, 2, 1, let's jam. Okay, wind is slightly more in our favor now. Alright, now go forward. Yeah, that's about where I clicked. Okay, let's do about here. So 28 degrees right and 12 meters forward. Okay, good. Connect to the drone's network. And we got a bit of a really strong breeze blowing in, so that's probably gonna screw it up a bit. But that's kind of what I'm counting on. Okay, let's go. Alright, now calibrate. Calibrate. Alright, now go forward. Yes, that's going forward. Yeah, so it went up, forward, and right.